children's brains absorb more cell tower radiation than adults. This is a 2023 study. It's published in Environmental Research, and they found that continuous 24-hour radiation from cell towers, from base stations, can lead to over 10 times greater daily RF radiation exposure into a 6-year-old child's brain compared to their typical cell phone use. And what they did was they actually used real-world measurements and computer simulations to investigate this issue, because it is a good question, right? Think about, how much are we getting from a cell tower? Remember, it's daily, continuous, full body. You can't turn it off. So what they found is that while cell phone use can create short exposures of high intensity, the constant low-level exposure from nearby cell towers can contribute far more to a child's total RFR dose over 24 hours. This is one of the images from the study where they looked at the numbers as well as computer simulations of the rate into the brain. Here they looked at the specific absorption rate, which is the rate that the RF radiation is absorbed into an amount of tissue, which is a whole issue to talk about at another time. It is in my paper, but looking at the rate, they found that a child's smaller head and thinner skulls resulted in higher localized absorption of the RF energy, indicating that younger brains at any one moment in time will take in more radiation under the same exposure conditions as compared to an adult. The blue is the 6-year-old child, the gray is the adult. Then they looked at the total energy absorbed by the brain over time, over 24 hours. So this is not SAR. They found that over a full day, children accumulate substantially more total brain radiation than adults. And continuous exposure from the cell tower far exceeded the dose they got from their brief cell phone use. This exposure is continuous and involuntary, so it might be low, but it builds up over time.